Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of body workouts and how technology is transforming our fitness journeys. Imagine having a personal trainer right in your pocket. With the rise of fitness apps and wearable devices, achieving your workout goals has never been easier or more engaging. These innovative tools track your progress, monitor your heart rate, and even offer personalized workout plans tailored just for you. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, there is something out there to elevate your routine. Plus, many apps provide a community aspect, connecting you with others who share your fitness goals, making the journey feel less lonely and more motivating. So, if you're looking to enhance your body workout experience, consider integrating some of these tech solutions into your routine. Embrace the future of fitness and watch as you reach new heights. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech insights.